Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and today I'm excited to share with you the Our Friendship Through the Years collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection includes 6 stunning papers, ephemera, as well as a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. This paper is called So Lucky. It includes 12 3x4 cut-aparts that include wonderful sayings, perfect for cutting apart, using as a card, in an album as a title, and so much more. The back of that paper features this beautiful teal wood background. For those of you who love cut-aparts as much as I do, the We Belong paper includes 4 4x6 cut-aparts as well as 4 additional 3x4 cut-aparts. Great sayings, perfect for those best friends in your life. The back of that paper features these beautiful flowers on a light teal background. This paper is called Documented. It includes old style vintage cameras with great sayings. Every picture tells a story. It's the little memories that will last a lifetime. Enjoy every moment. Here's to the nights that turn into mornings with the friends that turned into family. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Good times plus crazy friends equal memories that last forever. I like this one. Making memories with you is my favorite thing to do. If you look really closely, each of the frames look like a picture frame, so you could cut these apart individually and add them as elements on a card or a layout as well. The back of that paper features these beautiful posies with this bright red background that matches all of the details in the papers in this collection. This paper is called Do Epic Stuff, and it reminds me of a graffiti background. It has lots of fun words, simple life, get it done, yeah girl, BFF, good times never end, besties forever, all kinds of fun little doodles and drawings, perfect to use as a background. It would be fun in a frame with a picture of your best friend. The back of that paper features this burgundy background that highlights the darker reds in this paper. This paper is called Dream Life. It includes beautiful flowers, this gorgeous chandelier, some text elements across the top and the side. So fun to add a focal picture in the center. Quick and easy layout with this piece of paper. The back of that features this great tartan pattern in tan, gray, and a little hint of red. So beautiful. This paper is called Together. It has cut-aparts that are black and white, and then cut-aparts that are more of this off-white and black, so you can mix and match with the papers in the collection. The back of that paper features this tan background with beautiful flowers on top. This is the ephemera pack, which includes 23 stunning ephemera pieces that you could easily add foam tape to and create 3D elements on your paper crafting projects. In this ephemera pack, you will find everything from tickets to tags, frames, quotes, sayings, titles, and so much more. Perfect for all of your paper crafting projects. A PHOTOPLAY paper collection isn't complete without an element sticker sheet. This sticker sheet includes some great titles, lots of fun icons, some different sayings that you could use on a card, a layout, or even a mini album. There are some beautiful 12-inch border strips at the bottom. There are fun little word titles that you could add along the way. Lots of great flowers. The perfect accent to all of the papers in this collection. This collection is perfect for capturing all of those precious moments with friends. We hope you enjoy this collection And thanks for stopping by Photoplay Paper today. Have a great day.